Guys, welcome back to my channel. So this weekend I went to Iceland, Reykjavik, and so I was inspired to do a makeup based on the Blue Lagoon and the Northern Lights. So to start off with, I applied some foundation and I just wanted to go a bit paler than my normal skin tone, so it looked a bit icy. I then went into this pale blue paint and I painted on the milky waters of the Blue Lagoon, and then I went around with a black face paint to create the rocks around it. I then painted on a kind of ombre sky going from black right at the top down to a pale blue colour. As a base for the Northern Lights, I went in with this white concealer and I just kind of painted that in swirls across my forehead, and then I went into this NYX white liquid liner as well and kind of pulled it upwards, as it kind of, if you look at pictures, it has this kind of effect. And then I also used that to add some stars to the sky. Using this lime green shade, I then painted on top of the areas I'd painted white, and this kind of gives this Northern Lights look. And I also did a little purple swirl as well, and then I went over the top of those with some eyeshadow to make them brighter. I sponged on some blue and then purple and then green around the corner of my eye just to bring the design kind of round the eyes, and then I painted on some double dip flowers using white, purple and pink, and then I just added these little branches coming off it, and I added white, like kind of like icy drips coming off it, and white dots as well. Instead of contouring with like a beigey colour like I normally would, I used blue, and then I went into this blue highlighter and added that along my nose and my cheeks as well. I then did my eye makeup and I went into this purple eyeshadow and created a bit of a purple smoky eye, and then I popped a bit of green on the lid as well. I then put these doll lashes on in the style Danielle, which I love, they're amazing, and this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm going to pop a bit of footage from my holiday at the end of this video. It was literally incredible. So yeah, thanks for watching, bye!